Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful. How to check your car's options using its vehicle identification number, or VIN, specifically for 2025 models. If you're in the market for a new or used car, or just want to know exactly what features your ride has, this quick guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First off, what's a VIN? It's a unique 17-digit code that acts like a car's DNA, containing details about its manufacturer, model year, and even specific options like engine type, trim levels, or safety features. In 2025, with new regulations, VIN decoding has become even more accurate and accessible. Step 1. Locate your VIN. You can find it on the driver's side dashboard, visible through the windshield, or on the door jamb of the driver's side. It's also on your vehicle's registration, title, or insurance documents. Once you've got it, you're ready to proceed. Next, head to a reliable online tool. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) website has an updated, free VIN decoder that's user-friendly and tailored for 2025 vehicles. Simply enter your VIN, and it will pull up a detailed report. Other options include sites like Carfax or AutoCheck, though some might require a small fee for full access. Now, let's break it down. The VIN is divided into sections. The first 3 digits indicate the manufacturer, digits 4 to 8 cover the vehicle attributes like body style and engine, and the rest detail the model year and production info. From this, you can see specifics like whether your car has all-wheel drive, premium audio, or advanced driver assistance systems. A quick tip: always cross-reference the decoded info with the actual car to avoid discrepancies, especially for customized vehicles. And remember, in 2025, many manufacturers have integrated QR codes on VIN plates for even easier scanning via apps. There you have it. Checking car options by VIN is straightforward and empowers you as a savvy car owner. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe driving, everyone. See you in the next video.